So, anong ganap natin today? May bagong milestone na naman tayo. Galing pa kaming Pampanga niyan ha, pero dahil excited kami, bumiyahe pa talaga kami papuntang Toyota Valenzuela para kunin ang bago namin family car. Grabe, parang kailan lang Toyota Vios. And now, from this to this, our new Toyota Innova. Hindi na rin ito ang first time na kumuha kami ng car through our trusted marketing professional and sales agent na si Josa May Castro. Way back 2021 nga pala during pandemic, sa kanya rin kami kumuha ng black Toyota Vios. Kaya ngayon nag-decide kaming kumuha ulit. Siya pa rin talaga yung una naming naisip. Paano ba naman? Mabilis kausap, maayos mag-assist, magaling mag-explain, and very accommodating. Kaya kahit galing pa kaming Pampanga, confident kaming bumiyahe all the way to Toyota Valenzuela. Hindi ko na nga pala na video yung actual signing and release of documents. Pero sobrang saya nung moment na finally makukuha na namin yung bagong sasakyan namin. Kaya kung nagpaplano kayong kumuha ng Toyota, highly recommended si Josa May Castro. Very accommodating, professional, mabilis kausap, at mabilis ang approval. And above all, thank you Lord for another blessing and another milestone for our family. We're always grateful for every blessing, big or small. Thank you so much, Lord. Ayun lang. Bye!